somebody else will explain later on. But right now, before I move everybody onto the boat, I would love to call my companions that will help me in this show. It's a very big show. I cannot make it myself. So I'm going to call up Mr. Fidelis Ikejora to please come to the floor. Mr. Fidelis Ikejora, please. Mr. Fidelis, please come to the floor. Mr. Fidelis, please come to the floor. Is Fidel here, please? Okay. Yes. As I said, I have people that will help me for this show, and I'm going to call the next person anyway. We can't see Fidel right now. I don't know why. I'm going to call up Maris to please come out. Please give them a hand of applause, please. Otherwise, I can't make this show. I can't make this show by myself. Yes, you're welcome. We're still waiting for Fidel. Is Fidel here, please? Fidel is Ikejora, please. Please, a hand of applause for him, please. Thank you very much. Okay, yes, ladies and gentlemen, you've seen the people that's going to work with me tonight. And I'm going to go straight now to the program. As I said, we've been expecting people from abroad, and they're all here. Tonight is going to be a very wonderful night. And for us to start this show, we must have some people that will help us, advise us, talk about things, enjoy this party with us. I'm going to start by calling the chairman of this location, who is the person of who? Chief Onuara. Please, Chief Onuara, come on the high table, please. Chief Onuara, please. Please, a hand of applause. A hand of applause. Ibokwenu. That man, that's a powerful man. Chairman, we thank you for coming out, okay? As I said, we might need some more people to support him so we can carry on. Is it okay if I call on the chairman of IWA and his wife to please come to the high table as well? Chairman of IWA, please come on the high table. You see this man you are saying? He's a wonderful man. He's a man with love. He can make unity. I like to be by his side, and I will advise you to be by his side as well. He's a very wonderful man. Ladies and gentlemen, can we give them a hand of applause? I'm carrying on again. We still need 2 or 3 more people to join them. And I'm going to call on the ex-chairman of Unzuko Ndigo in Sweden. Unzuko I'm talking about is Mr. Pesi himself. Please come. I would have been so happy to call his wife to come and join him. But is it okay if I speak on behalf of his wife? She's so busy. She's one of those that's going to give us food, happiness today. So if you don't mind, but if she's here, she can. If she's here, please. I'm sorry that you may not be able to come on the high table. I move on again. The chairlady of this group, long way to come and share this day with us. Please, can we see the Royal Highness, please? Yes, that is the man we've been waiting for. That is the man we've been waiting for. He's a titled man. King Gustav. King Gustav of Australia. But this is King of Africa. His Royal Highness. Thank you for coming. We thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes. You see, if you watch Walker High Table, you will see what the king is doing. It's a special way of, if you are not a king, please don't take your hand and touch that man. If you are not titled to be a king from Africa or in Sweden, don't go near that man. Otherwise you pay fine. Can you go near that? As a massive Igbo, am I lying if you look at Igbo land? Okay. So now we move forward. Am I shouting or what? Am I? If I'm shouting, I'm excited. Please leave me alone. We go on the next person now. Nigerian Union representatives. We're going to call on the person of Mr. Bright. Please, can Mr. Bright come on the high table, please? Mr. Bright. Is Mr. Bright here? No. Sorry. Okay, listen. I think I have said something wrong here. It's wrong. I'm going to leave that. I'll come back to that. I'm going to make you understand that we have another tribe in this house. Please, can you listen to this? It's very important. We have another tribe here from Nigeria as well. They have their own union here as well in Sweden. Do you know a group of people called the Benin people, the Benin Kingdom, the Benin Empire? Wonderful people. They know how to dance. If you see Benin, listen, I'm going to call on the Edo Union representative to please come on the high table. Please give me a hand of applause. Chief Leslie, you do well. We need people to sit on these people on that table so we can have a very full night. I will carry on to call the Igbo Union in Sweden, so Gothenburg and Göteborg. Someone say it's funny, Göteborg. They have also traveled a long way to come and enjoy this night, to be with us, to share love with us. The Igbos, we are known for one thing. We have love. They will like money and money they kill us. They we are very loving people. I'm going to call on the representative from the Igbo Union in Göteborg. And that is the person of Chief Arinze and his guest, Mr. Clayton. Arinze, no. Yes, and I know you all thinking, what is this man calling? Who are these people he's calling? That I tell you, you will see why they are here today. I'm going to jump to the next person, and that is representatives from the Nigerian Embassy. And that was what I was going to say before that I went wrong. Please, can we call on Mr. Bright to come on the high table? Is Mr. Bright here from the Nigerian Embassy? Is Mr. Bright here, please? I'm too excited. We have the Igbo Union from Umeå. They have also traveled a long way to come and join us here. Please, can we give them a hand of applause? A representative from the Igbo Union in Umeå. Umeå, please come out. We are waiting. Igbo, we are too much. Igbo, this is where I belong. This is where we all belong. Keep it now. No, because you need to change the the last, but not the least, can we please, excuse me, we are getting too loud now. Can we listen to this, please? We are going to call wonderful sisters. They are like our mom. It's a union in Sweden here called the United Sisters. This group of sisters, I tell you, I have been to their location. I have read their aims and objectives. of why they formed that union, and I'm telling you, me myself here that's talking, I love that union. I've been where they are partying, I've been here, they are doing everything. I tell you, they are very wonderful people. I'm going to call on their representatives to please come out on the high table as well and sit down. Can we call on the person of Mrs. Garuba, please, to go on the high table? Thank you very much, Mrs. Garuba. Please, can you go on the high table? The United Sisters, please. 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 You are welcome, you are welcome. In the middle, you can allow in the middle. And the man in the middle, are we come for dissenting? Can't we make a noise for we ought to see face of someone who look like happy to be around the place African Igbo having A1 festival? Hallelujah. Yes, my people, listen, we are starting soon. I have to call all these names, and that's what I'm doing. And I say again, I'm happy to see all of you. I'm excited. I'm full of love. I can see love on your faces. I say again, thank you for coming. The last but not the least is our brother, a Swedish man as well. So this union is not just for only Nigerian or Igbo people, BJ or Benin people. We have Swedes. We have. I tell you, I'm going to call on Mr. Michael Hammerman, a Swiss man. So the yet is here. Go in. Can you come in? Michael. And Michael. Ladies and gentlemen, give another applause to Michael, please. That's Michael. Yeah, back. So, ladies and gentlemen, now we're going to start the occasion. I have called all these names that we need to see, and I hope you will support us today in this occasion. We had a very long night. I will tell you, we have food, we have so many things. So, you sit, put, and have a good time. But please, I would advise, if you have little kids here, please control them. We don't want to see kids just running around, please. I'm sorry to say this, so we can have a fresh evening. So ladies and gentlemen, I will take a pause and then pass it over to my colleagues. Thank you very much. Thank you.